The bars, protection bars.
It's good. The best, it's a must. I'm going to show you why. Hold please.
Yes, and not close video.
There is one problem with this bike. People say that the bike is for short people.
For short people.
For short people. I'm 190, I'm tall man. But I don't believe this is for short people. This is sport position. You put your legs up and back. So you have one aggressive position to turn. Okay? But after a long ride, about 1 hour of riding, you need to stop because your legs are all the time like μαζεμένα, πώς θα πει?
Like this, in this position.
In this position could be here, for example.
Yes,
But
I
it's here.
understand.
My solution is this bar. I rest them.
Isn't this dangerous?
When I go super slow,
Okay.
instead of stop, I can rest one by one. Okay, here is the brake.
Okay, yes, I
So
understand.
when I'm like this, I lose like one second. And this second could be crucial. So you better go very slow, especially with the right thing, leg. With the left, you can leave it.
You can be more relaxed.
I have the manual version, so I have to change gears. So when I go with the 6th gear, I can relax a little bit with 70 km in open road, highway, where the trucks drive. So it's safe enough to have the legs here, and there is no other bike that I could do this straight. So
Yes, you are tall.
in the end of the day, I find this bike the most convenient. Keep here, look, this point and my butt, they are together, same position, okay?
Okay.
That means when it's pump, less pressure in my bag, okay? If the legs are here front, I can even sit like this.
Of course.
Now, these legs does not support anything. They are just supporting themselves here front. That means in the pumps, I get all the resistance here, which is not good for my back. That's why being too close and too back, it's not that stupid. I mean, they designed it better than me. They are better than me. They created this amazing bike, which needs 3.5 liter per 100 kilometers, ladies and gentlemen. It's amazing, the most fuel consumption efficient bike in the world right now in this category, this 750 engine capacity. So they are amazing mechanics in Honda to do all this, and this position, they study about it, okay? They could put it even here. They do whatever they want, but they put it here for the back and fast driving.